Hey Canva creators, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something really cool to show you. Did you know Canva has an AI tool that can write entire blog posts for you in seconds? That's right. All you need is one smart prompt, and Canva's AI does the rest. Let's jump in. First, head over to the left-hand menu in Canva and click on Canva AI. From there, choose Draft a Doc, and then select the blog post option. Now, here's the key. To get a great blog post, you need a strong prompt. I asked ChatGPT to help me create an SEO-friendly prompt on the advantages of Canva and marketing design, and the result was excellent. I'll leave that prompt in the comments so you can use it too. Once your prompt is ready, hit Generate. Canva will take it from there, and in just a few seconds, you'll have a full blog post with a clear title, subheadings, and clean formatting. If you want to tweak or personalize it, just click Edit in Canva Editor. From there, you can rewrite sections, highlight key points, or change the tone. And that's it. A full professional quality blog post created in minutes, with no stress. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!